welcome to a new GidiStays vlog. So today is Boxing Day actually, but yeah, we are now at the Ritz apartments. We have 3 checkouts here today, so we're just checking up on everything. I almost finished cleaning. We are going to buy some supplies in a bit at SPAR here down the road and just run some other errands. We'll see how it goes. But in the meantime, make sure to already give this video a big like and also subscribe to the channel. Let's go. Oh, nice. Since when do they have all this? Say? Alright, so we just got to the VGC house. I don't think you've ever seen this before, so let me show you. So here's where you drive in, so there's plenty of space for a lot of cars. And then here is the main entrance, the swimming pool. We're just at the checkout here, so we are now going to prepare for the cleaning. Kitchen. Come, let's go upstairs. Let me close this door. So up here you have 3 bedrooms. all including a bathroom, of course. And here you have a very nice view. Let me show you. So you have a view of the pool, and this plot is empty, so it's very green. And then you can actually see the little park that is there. It's quite a peaceful place. And this is the master bedroom. Very big closet. And the bathroom. Anyway, because this, I look crazy right now, but because this period is very busy, and as I told you before, some of our main cleaners of almost, I would say every location, there's at least one person that went home for the holidays. So that's why we are now trying to prepare the place for cleaning that it will take place tomorrow morning. So a family checked out today. The cleaning will be done tomorrow, but for now, because it's already late afternoon, we just already want to take off and wash all the bedding and just clear the whole place. And we also bought supplies. So once they come in tomorrow, they have everything they need and they can just start right away. And this coconut tree is planted 6 years ago and is now has some coconuts growing there for the first time. So that is very nice. It's so big now. Let me just enjoy the breeze. Oh my goodness. Oh, this is nice. I will show you that little park there as well. It's really nice. Very calm. But you can keep everything you want in there. You don't really need a safe, right? You just need something to